As many of you know, I've been making musical instruments from reclaimed hollow core doors for many, many years now. And my goal has always been to broaden our perspectives on waste, value, and the fetishization of materials that are used in making guitars, and other things too. Now it's time to really hear them. Here's a song I wrote and recorded using only instruments made from hollow core doors. Sue with the blonde hair bought a brand new Frigidaire. It holds 2 frozen turkeys with more room to spare. She brags about the energy she'll save with her new fridge. She puts the old icebox out in the garage. It's full of beer and garbage food, and it runs all night long, but she can't hear it, so she sleeps good. And I'm the guy in the neighborhood people think is crazy. Steve down the street, he works 6 days a week. He bought a brand new TV, put the old one on the street. He records all the games so he can watch them on his day off. In just 12 short months, he'll have the whole thing paid for. But he fell asleep again, and he missed the final score. His next shift starts in an hour. And I'm the guy in the neighborhood people think is crazy. Phil up the hill, he works so hard to pay the bills, but he got hurt on the job and he got addicted to the pills. He was taught that only lesser men can't provide. He loved to paint as a kid but feels like such a jerk. It's not work, it's just play, wasting time. So instead, he surfs the web. And I'm the guy in the neighborhood people think is crazy. Sue got a second job. Steve never sees the kids. Phil got kicked off of Facebook. Ray's ranch on the corner been boarded up with no owner. It finally sold in the spring, but that old guy, he was a hoarder. It took 3 dumpsters just to haul it all the way. The young couple comes in and strips the house to the studs. Faux wood floors, and they replaced all those old closet doors. Solar panels and a brand new Prius. And I'm the guy in the neighborhood people think is crazy. Well, maybe they're right, 'cause I grabbed all those doors last night and I made these guitars. Come on, Nick. Construction is stopped, the money's all gone. The bank owns the house, and no one mows the lawn. There go all our property values, says Steve. As the grass grows taller in the yard, wildflowers and honeysuckle bloom. The bees and the butterflies move in. Welcome to our neighborhood, where everyone is crazy.
Yeah. I mean, that could be good.
I think that's done. Let's give it a listen. That's it.
That's the song.
That was freaking killer, man. Did you get that? Did you get it? I I hope you enjoyed the song and the video. I want to thank my longtime friend Donnie Boom Fortin for playing drums and percussion, and my very longtime friend Mick Conley for creating the amazing Red Room Sound Studio in Torrington, Connecticut, where we recorded that, and also for playing the lead guitar parts. He's awesome. Also, thanks to my daughter Maddie, who did all of the film work for this, and she got so much good film that I'm actually going to put another video out that's sort of like a behind-the-scenes thing, so stay tuned for that. And thanks to Mick's wife Lucinda, who helped out at the console while Mick was playing the lead guitar parts, and also Jinx and Stevie the dogs for hanging out with us. There is a build video on my YouTube channel for every one of these instruments that we use here, showing that they were all made from doors and other stuff. I created a playlist, and you can find the links in the description. And I also want to thank all of my sponsors over the years who helped me make all of these instruments become a reality. Couldn't have done without you guys. Thank you very much. They're also listed in the description. If you like the song and you want a copy, you can download it from newperspectivesmusic.com. There's a link down below, and that is the only place you can get it right now. Anywhere else you see it, they do not have my permission. So I had so much fun doing this that I'm thinking about maybe making a whole album or a 7-inch or something using Mick and Donnie and Jesse's instruments in that studio. What do you think of that idea? Let me know in the comments below. Would you be interested in maybe pre-ordering a vinyl copy of it? I'm just kind of throwing that out there to think about it, and I'd love to hear your input and thoughts. So thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be good.